Hello friends, welcome to Excelytics. Today we are going to see another video on what we should not do in Excel. So let us begin. Here I have 2011 census data. This is extracted from 2011 census and the source is Wikipedia. We have rank, state or union territory, capital, males, females. So now I want to add a population column to this data. Simply, I will write column heading as population and then I will sum up the male plus female population. So we can see the formula is updated for all the rows. Here, if you look at the formula, we see at the rate males and at the rate females. But in general, if you write any formula, if suppose I have 10 here and 20 here, and if I write a formula to add up these two numbers, and the formula will be something like F17 plus F18. But in our table, if you look at the formula, it shows at the rate males plus at the rate females. So the reason is this is a table formatted data. In table formatted data, the formulas will be structured reference, and in normal formulas we see absolute or relative reference. In this case, it's a relative reference. Most of the Excel users, when they work on tables data, they see this kind of formula and they assume that there is some issue with the formula. Here we don't have any issues with the formula, so it's simply a structural reference wherein by seeing this the end user will be easily understand that this is the addition of males column plus females column value. So we hope this video will help you in your day-to-day work. Thanks for watching this video. This is created by team Excelytics. Join Excelytics to excel in analytics.